What's up, guys? Alright, so man, I'm hungover, damn head hurting. That ain't really my head, it's most of my stomach hurting. Went out last night with my father and my brother, had a ball, had a blast. We went to a tailgate. We watched the Ravens and the Eagles game, even though the Ravens lost. Starting to pee me off. Justin Tucker is a bum now, bro. Like, if y'all know anything about football, y'all know anything about the Baltimore Ravens, you know Justin Tucker has been the best person on our team. Well, no, let me tell you that. He's been the best kicker in the league for a while. Lamar Jackson, the best quarterback in the league, but Tucker has been the best kicker in the league for a while, and now he just trash, bro. He's starting to give me Billy Cundiff vibes. Like when we had a chance to go to the Super Bowl, beating the Patriots, and Cundiff shanked a kick. Man, Billy Cundiff he was done. But now I feel like Justin Tucker is starting to give me them vibes, man. He missing valuable field goals. Like, you missed 10 field goals this year that could have put us in positions to win the game or at least tie the game. Like, you missed multiple kicks against the Eagles. We could have tied that game. We could have won that game. You missed multiple kicks against the Steelers. Like, Tucker's starting to piss me off. But hey, guys, I got a little unboxing for real. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. It is Vlogmas, you know what I mean? Shout out to everybody doing Vlogmas right now. And shout out to you if you're watching this. Shout out to all my subscribers. If you're not subscribed yet, please consider doing that. Showing you how to smell good over here on this channel. But, you know, for the rest of this month, well, until the 25th, I'm gonna probably be dropping videos where as though it's not just straight fragrances. Yeah, man, I'm chilling around the house today. Got my Christmas tree up over there. You know what I mean? Got some stockings up with the kids on it. Me and the wife for real. But yeah, we ready to unbox this fragrance. I think this is, I forgot what this joint called, but I think this is a dupe of Tom Ford's Black Orchid. And I went to Sephora on Black Friday. I smelled that Black Orchid. That joint is fire, bro. That Tom Ford Black Orchid, fire. Not the perfume, even though I don't really smell the difference between the perfume and the regular Black Orchid, but got a pack from Amazon, guys. Oh, God, man, I am sick, guys. Like, stomach is killing me, bro. I need some ginger ale. That damn tail go kick my ass, bro. All you can drink and all you can eat. I ain't even drink that much. I can't do that cheap. Man, boy, I feel like crap. Let me see, I got another bottle the other day. I just didn't show it on here. I didn't do no unboxing video. What is this? This is Azara Noir Intense. And this one smells like the Most Wanted, the black one. I think that's the perfume. But this smells like the Most Wanted, the black one. The bottle even look like. I just didn't show it because it's a cheap fragrance. When I unboxed it, I can tell it's not gonna perform as good. Yeah, this is the Tom Ford dupe. I ordered a couple things. That's why I didn't really know what this one was. I figured it was that though. Maison Alhambra, and like I said, this is a dupe of Black Orchid. Tom Ford. So let's open this puppy up. See what it's hitting for. I just woke straight up, man. Like, stomach been bothering me since like 5 a.m. Probably give me a ginger ale or something. What's the remedy for a hangover, guys? Like I said, my head not hurting. It's just my stomach. I don't know if that liquor ain't mixed with me. I didn't throw up or nothing. I don't feel like I have to throw up. But sometimes, you know, if you vomit, you know, you throw up. It'll make you feel better sometimes. Keep that in mind. If you ever get drunk, just feel like, yo, I need to throw up. That'll help you sometimes. But look, Black Orchid. You can tell this vlog is, man, I ain't got my shades on. I ain't got my hat on. I got a beat on. Like, bro, I'm being relatable as possible, man. Like, forget everybody that gotta dress up to do they fragrance videos and get fully dressed. We ain't doing that for vlogging, this nigga. You know what I mean? We coming as we are. But look, it's the box. Box is cheap. Go right in the trash. Black orchid out this thing. Oh, and you can pull it up by the top. Look at that. That look nice. Black orchid. It's right with black. Right, bitch with black. We doing least edits as possible, man. Real life around here, guys. Be relatable as possible. If you don't know how to edit videos, that's what's stopping you from doing YouTube videos or whatever. F it. Just do it, guys. But look, this is Black Orchid from Maison Alhambra. The top not too crazy, but you can grab it by the top. Just pull it off. Yeah, it definitely smells like Black Orchid. Just smell a little different though. But yeah, that's the bottle design. Ridges on the side. Regular. Yeah, man, spray this thing, see what it smells like. Over here watching ESPN or Sports Center. Early in the morning, okay. I like it. I ain't got to twist today, I want to atomize it. Let's do it. Let's get a couple blasts on this thing. Step back so y'all can see. Okay, haven't been sprayed, I like that. Yeah, I smell it, boy. I ain't gotta do the. Ooh, that smells good. Damn, that is good. Whew. Yeah, it smells just like Black Orchid, bro. That's crazy, man. It's so crazy how close these fragrances get to the originals, man. Like I said, I recently went to Sephora. They got the whole wall of fragrances. And I smelled this one, man. This thing was amazing, bro. I'm like, damn. Black Orchid is really good. I see why people be, glazing the Black Orchid. That shit is good. And this smells just like it, bro. Like it's hanging in the air right now. I know this is gonna perform well. Maison Alhambra, they normally perform well, depending on which one you get. But all they Tom Ford lines perform well. But yes, this is a dupe of Tom Ford Black Orchid. And guys, this thing is good. First impressions, I would say 8.5 out of 10. With the potential to be high after I wear it and review it and see how it performs and stuff. But right now, it's just hanging in the air right here. And I smell it. That thing smells amazing, guys. But yeah, man, Black Orchid. Well, Black Origami. I'm sorry. I probably been saying Black Orchid all fucking day. But this is a dupe of Black Orchid. And this is Black Origami from Maison Alhambra. And I'm sure some people got this, but this thing is good, man. I like it. So far, first impressions, I like it. Smells good. If that's all you want to know, does it smell good? It smells good. But yeah, man, check this out if y'all guys. Oh my God, that is good. I be so fascinated with these things, man. They just smell so good, man. Confidence boosting. These fragrances are boosting of confidence, boy, I tell you. Like, make you feel good. Help with self-improvement, man. Like, fragrances, man. Get your nose on these things, bro. And it's not expensive. Like, it's very affordable over here. Everything I show on my channel is just very affordable, man. I'm not spending hundreds on no bottle. And I feel like anybody that does that I can't talk about nobody that only buys designers, bro. But look, for all the young folks out there, all the young men, don't be out here asking your parents for these expensive ass bottles, man. Like, have some respect. It's kind of disrespectful for you to ask for a fragrance that costs like $200, $300, considering you don't work. Or sometimes people ain't done nothing to deserve these things. Like, y'all buying Greenlee and Altair and freaking Creed events that only last for 4 hours. Like, how can you justify that? But I don't even blame the young folks. I blame the people that they go to basically research this shit. Like, I blame the fragrance creators that is encouraging, and I only know they only doing it because they get paid for this shit. But you encouraging these young folks to buy Greenlee. A young man don't need to smell like Greenlee, bro. That's not even a young man's fragrance. Like, Leighton and all that shit, bro. Why is a teenager asking their parent for Leighton and Greenlee? I don't get that, bro. You young men gotta be more responsible, bro. You can smell just like Greenlee. You can smell like Black Orchid, which costs fucking $400. You can smell like that for $25, bro. This Maison Alhambra costs $25, man. And see, people don't even realize when you spend all that money on them fragrances, that's what makes you don't want to wear it as often. You don't want to do as many sprays. Man, every bottle I got, I do the 8+ sprays, bro. I don't do no 2, 3, 4, 5. I do 8+ sprays. Sometimes I do 10, 12 sprays. But some fragrances I don't. Like Liquid Burn, I don't overspray that. Oud Mood, I don't overspray that. I say about 6 sprays. But look, I cover every area, man. And you think I'm going to do that with a $500 fragrance? This thing cost me $5. I got to make this last. And that's a lot of people's mindsets when you buy these expensive ass fragrances, man. Sometimes not even worth it, bro. Like, I smell so much stuff at Sephora, bro, and it just blew my mind, and it just changed my mindset. Well, it made my mindset even more concrete. Like, I'm never buying a fucking designer fragrance. I'm never spending $300, $400, $500 on a fragrance, bro. Now, shout out to everybody that can afford to do that, but I'd rather spend my money on other stuff, bro. If I can smell good for a fraction of the price and it smells just like that, okay, I'm gonna do that. But it's something that they don't have dupes of. Like, I haven't found a good Spice Bomb dupe yet. If you guys know any good Spice Bomb dupes, get down in the comment section, let me know. Not the Spice Bomb Extreme, but the regular Spice Bomb. Because that actually smells good as well. Like, but that Dior Sauvage in the store, that shit was trash. It was another Dior Sauvage. You know what? It was Dior Sauvage Elixir. Like, I don't see why people glazing that, bro. And that don't smell like Assad. Assad don't smell like Dior Sauvage Elixir. Neither do Just As Sword. Like, I don't know if it's an inspiration with some different notes, but that don't smell like Dior Sauvage Elixir. And then I smelled another Dior Sauvage fragrance. Bro, that joint smell like straight pepper. Like, who the hell is wearing that, bro? Who wants to smell like pepper? Y'all motherfuckers weird want to smell like pepper, bro. But look, I ain't gonna ramble on too much longer. I'm ready to make me something to eat. I will show y'all that, but that's going on the other channel. Yeah, man, I'm gonna be dropping videos every day this month, so y'all stay tuned for that. And hey, man, this is good. 8.5 out of 10. This shit smells so good. If my stomach wasn't hurting, it probably would hit me better right now, but I don't want to keep sniffing a lot of stuff. My stomach is messed up right now. I feel better later once I get some ginger ale, some bread up there. But look, guys, stick around all this month. If you're not subscribed, do that right now. It's free. I don't understand why people watching this video and not subscribing. If you're one of them people watching this and you're not going to subscribe, fuck you. If you do subscribe, I love you. It's all love. Real humble over here. I'm not begging nobody to do nothing. Like, yo, please subscribe, please subscribe. Because I'm not pressed. I just do this shit because I love it. Like, I'm not doing it. I don't get no money off of this. As of December 2nd, 2024, I don't make no money off my YouTube channels. Or off this YouTube channel. I don't make no money off TikTok, Instagram. I just do that stuff because I love it. And I see people, they rocking with it. They rocking with it. But on TikTok, man, we got 2,500. It's probably more because we're getting hundreds every day. But as of December 2nd, 2024, TikTok has 2,500. This thing is good. And Instagram has 3,500. But man, it's crazy, bro. Like, we popping way more on TikTok and Instagram than YouTube. YouTube is like it's such a hard platform to grow on. And if anybody tell you otherwise, like, they're lying. It's not easy to grow on YouTube. And then people say, oh, you need to upload shorts, long form, and community posts. No, you shouldn't do that, actually, because the people that come to your channel from the short subscribes, like, when they subscribe from a short, they don't give them a chance to turn on the post notification button. So I would have to subscribe, then go to your page, then hit the bell icon. But most people not doing that. But me being a content creator, I do that shit because I know, like, if I subscribe from a short, I'm still not gonna get all your post notifications. Versus me subscribing through a long form video like this one. You hit subscribe, and then the bell icon pops up right beside it. And you hit that, and you hit all, or whatever you want to do. But I prefer people to hit the all notification, so you can just get every notification. But shorts don't let you do that. So guys, if you're starting a YouTube channel, don't strictly rely on shorts. You need to rely more so on long form content. And if you want to strictly rely on shorts, make a whole new page for that. And don't put no long form content on there because shorts will tank your channel, bro. Like, and I'm experiencing that with another channel. Whereas though we got like 4,000 subscribers on there, but most of them came from shorts. So they not getting notifications when I drop a banger. Like it's just crazy on there. Like I wouldn't suggest. Nah, I ain't gonna say that. I ain't gonna say that. But I would suggest TikTok and Instagram, man. Instagram really grew on me for real because I felt like I couldn't grow on Instagram for some reason. But then I started doing the fragrance content. KV smell good, and man, taking off on Instagram, bro. Uploading 3 times a day, no less than 2 times a day. And man, we working, dog. Certain stuff I upload on IG and TikTok, I don't even put on YouTube because it's like, for what? But yeah, man, that's it on that. I'm about to wrap this video up. Get ready to do some other content. Man. But look, make sure y'all looking good, man. And fuck that. Even if you ain't looking good, you feel me? You ain't looking your best today, make sure you smelling good, man. Look good, smell good, squad.